अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone, क्या हाल चाल है आप सबके and welcome to my kitchen. So 2 days ago I made club sandwiches on my Insta stories and I got hundreds of DMs asking for the recipe. So I cannot delay the recipe anymore. Let's get started and make club sandwiches. To make club sandwiches, the first thing I'm going to show you is how I did the chicken. So I've simply boiled the chicken adding salt and black pepper, and now I'm going to chop it using my food processor. See how nicely the chicken is done. So I'm going to take it out in a bowl. To make chicken club sandwiches, you would need shredded chicken, garlic mayo sauce, 2 eggs, slices of cucumber, tomatoes, coleslaw, chili garlic sauce, and bread. On this side, we have started toasting the bread and I'm gonna fry eggs. So these are 2 eggs with salt and black pepper in it. Toast आपका ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, इतना grilled और इतना हसीन. The next step is to make chicken mixture. So in the shredded chicken, I'm going to add mayonnaise, salt, black pepper and white pepper. In the chicken, I have added 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon each of black pepper and white pepper, and salt according to your taste. I'm going to show you the assembly of club sandwiches. So that's omelette, coleslaw, chili garlic sauce, garlic mayo, cucumber, tomatoes, our chicken mixture, and toasted bread. Okay, so first of all, take a slice of bread, spread some chili garlic sauce, garlic mayo, slice of cucumbers, tomatoes, a layer of egg, and then you would put second bread. On this bread, I'm going to put chicken mixture. On the mixture, I'm going to add some coleslaw, chili garlic sauce, and then top it up with third piece of toast. And to secure it, I'm going to use toothpicks. Like this, and now I'm going to cut the sandwich. You can see it's completely secured, and now I'm going to make my next one.